Hi, everyone. I'm David from the I-Fal team. Welcome back to our Little English podcast. Today we have 5 fun news bits. We will read each one in simple English. Then I will say a little thing from my own life in Tel Aviv. Let's go. 1. Yossi Shitrit moves to MasterChef. Today, we hear about Yossi Shitrit. He was a judge on one cooking show. He judged 6 seasons there. Now he goes to another channel. He will judge on MasterChef. He will stand next to other chefs. They are Haim Cohen, Ruti Brudno, Eyal Shani, and Israel Aharoni. He is a big name on TV. I like watching cooking shows. On Shabbat, I sit with my family. We eat hummus and watch fun chefs. If I had Yossi's job, I would taste falafel all day. That sounds great, right? 2. A new song by Esther Shamir and Yahel Doron. Now, let's talk about music. 2 singers made a new song. The singers are Esther Shamir and Yahel Doron. Esther is a rock pioneer in Israel. She also fights against cancer. Yahel writes songs too. Their new song says, "On the other side of fear, good things wait." They sing about hope. They say optimism is a tool. It helps us live. The song sounds warm and bright. I listened to it on my way to work in Gush Dan. I wore my old headphones and danced on the bus. I smiled when I heard the words. In Israel, we love a good song. It helps us start the day with a smile. 3. Israelis love water, but are shy to ask for tap water. This one is funny. A new survey asked people about water. The survey was for Shavuot, the water holiday. It asked what Israelis drink. Most like water. But some feel shy to ask for tap water in a restaurant. They think it will look cheap. The survey also asked what people know about water in Israel. Many do not know the water source. Some think it all comes from a lake. Others think it is just magic in the pipes. I remember one time at a cafe in Florentine. I was thirsty and asked for tap water. The waiter looked at me funny. But I got my water in a cool glass. If you like water, ask for it. It is free, and it is good for you. 4. Free treatments for service dogs. Here's some great news. Israel will pay for medical care for retired security dogs. These dogs worked hard for many years. Now they need medicine and special care. The new law gives money each year for their medicine and treatments. This came after a big story in the news. Everyone said, "We love our dogs. We must care for them." Now the dogs get help. I have a dog too. His name is Rafi. He is not a security dog. He just chases balls in the park. But if one day he needs help, I hope the law can help him too. Dogs are our friends. They give us love and loyalty. 5. Big stock trades in the USA. Finally, business news from far away. A report in the USA shows big trades in tech stocks. In one quarter, someone traded up to $70 million. They bought Apple and Google. They sold Tesla. People say this could be a conflict of interest, but others say it is normal business. We say tech for technology. You know, the new phones and computers. These big firms shape the world. Even we in Israel feel their power. I check the stock prices on my phone sometimes. I see a red number or green number, and I cheer or frown. It is like a game on my home screen. That is all for today. I hope you liked these little news stories. We read short and clear English. We used simple words and short sentences. Thank you for listening with me. I enjoyed helping you learn some English today. Don't forget I-Fal, our English app. Only 20 shekels per lesson. See you next time.